Hey guys, Victor Isibor here. First timers, welcome. I hope you find a reason to subscribe before the end of the video and stay glued. Returning subscribers and viewers, salute. Like in the military, it's a pleasure having you back on this YouTube channel. I'm not an investment advisor. Don't take my word for it. Do your own due diligence. I shall not be responsible for any profits you make or any losses you incur as a result of you interacting with my content. Now, with that disclaimer out of the way, today we're looking at aim7777.com. The website name is very funny, straight off the bat. Like, I don't get it. I've never seen something like this. aim7777, 7 in 4 places.com. All right? So, straight off the bat, I want to see what this is about. So I'll just click on the About section real quick so that, we all can know what they're about. They said AIM is an American investment management firm founded in 1977 by Gary Bergstrom. Founded in 1977. This website that we just started seeing now. They said it was founded in 1977 by Gary Bergstrom, headquartered in Boston, with offices in London, Singapore, and Sydney. The firm is known for using quantitative analysis and strategies in making investment decisions. Wow. Founded in 1977. I wasn't even born then. Then they put this picture here. Let me quickly download the picture. Okay, open. Then I zoom in. Zooming into this picture, you see where they wrote here, Arcadian. All right, Arcadian. So, this got me curious. The website is aim7777.com, and I'm seeing Arcadian, in the picture, in the office picture that they put there. All right. So, which led me to quickly do a quick Google check about Arcadian. All right. Now, you see there is a company called Arcadian Asset Management. There's a company called Arcadian Asset Management. And if you look at the logo we saw in the picture we zoomed in, looks like their logo as well. All right. So, let me scroll. See, now they said this question on Google says, who is the founder of Arcadian Asset Management? And in the drop down, you can see, Gary Bergstrom. All right, Gary Bergstrom. So, obviously, this is looking like an imitation scam. All right. If you look at Wikipedia of Arcadian Asset Management, it said Arcadian Asset Management is an American investment firm headquartered in what? Boston, with additional offices in London, Singapore, and Sydney. Just the way these guys on the AIM777, exactly what they wrote. Check Boston, London, Singapore, and Sydney. All right. Now let's go back to you see the same thing here: London, Singapore, Sydney, with head office where in Boston. So you all already know now that this is copy pasting. This is an imitation scam. They opened this funny website and they went to the website of a legitimate opportunity, copied everything that is there, and pasted it here for you. So the real company, as we saw in this picture, this mistake that they made by leaving this picture here, which made me to see Arcadian and made me to investigate to find out that Arcadian is actually a legitimate company headquartered in Boston like this, with offices in London, Singapore, and Sydney. So you already know now that you have scam in your hands. And apart from the picture, if you go and you scroll, these are things they copied from the Arcadian original website. You see, just be scrolling up. You see, they are still writing it here. Arcadian supports. You see, they didn't have time to edit it very well. They are in a hurry. You know, scam. They quickly want to collect you people's money. They know that you people like ROI well. You don't want to work. If they show you a business where you need to sell things or refer people, affiliates, you will not do it because you want quick money. Look at it. Arcadian. As you are in a hurry to make money, these people are in a hurry to scam you too. So they did not settle down to edit what they copied before pasting it. Okay, see all the loopholes. They are leaving the name of the original company where they copied this thing. They are leaving it in the write-up and all that. So you can see in this place now, they edited it and put aim, you know. But in the other places, they left Arcadian there, you know, a loophole that will allow us to know that this is nothing short of an imitation scam. A company that they said was founded in 1977, according to this write-up here. 1977, right? Okay. Let me see. Look at the WHOIS statistics of that same company, M7777. The website was registered February 11th this year. So such an international company of repute started operations since 1977. They did not see any money to open a website. In this digital age, they did not have money to open a website till this year. You can imagine how nonsensical this thing is looking. A company headquartered in Boston with offices in London, Singapore, and Sydney decided to go to India, where you have plenty of fraudsters from Africa. They went to India to open their website. Look at it. The registrant's contact is in India. All right? Okay. The website started being functional this year. So since 1977, such a company of such repute had no website, according to them. All right, so let us go back to their website, go back to their home page. This review will not be long. I'm tired of enlightening you guys. People actually sent these deals to me, asking seriously if these deals are legitimate. I'm like, seriously? You actually think this is legitimate? Let's click on the product. You can imagine. All right, this is the kind of scam that you guys have been falling for ever since. Bring in XYZ amount of money. This is what you'll be earning on a daily basis. Now, they said E 2.5, 21 days, daily income of 1,250 naira for 21 days, total income of 26,250 naira, and what you invest here is 25,000. See, this one you invest 80,000 naira to be earning 6k per day for 21 days like that, total of 126 days like that. Look at this one, 200,000 naira. I believe they have other packages, which does not matter. We don't even need to look at them because it is pointless. But just looking at them now, you see that they have a package for 12,000 naira. You'll be earning 660 naira per day. Other packages in naira, 35,000, 70,000, and all that. Now, for my brothers and sisters watching this video, that for the ones that have common sense, you know, Ponzi scheme blocks people's common sense. You see, all their packages are well listed, outlined in naira. Now, maybe I don't watch the news anymore, or I don't know what is happening around the world. Please, somebody should confirm to me. The currency they use in Boston, London, Singapore, and Sydney, is it naira? Please, somebody should confirm for me and put it in the comment section below. A company that was founded and headquartered in Boston with offices in London, Singapore, and Sydney. They don't even have any office in Nigeria or at all. They have no affiliation or link with Nigeria. Then all of a sudden, their products that they want to sell to the world is not in Bitcoin, it's not in USDT, it's not in the US dollars, it's not in pound sterling. It is in what? Naira. It doesn't make any sense to me. What this tells me is that this website was founded and opened by Nigerians and for Nigerians as well. All right? They are looking to scam Nigerians. Let me counterpunch and give you a link. Now, when you try to fund these monies that they're asking you to fund, all right, I'm reliably informed that you will be asked to pay into a Palm Pay account and another, I think, Coronation Merchant Bank. These are banks with very, very loopholes, with very, very wide loopholes, and you cannot really make traces. All right? So that's to tell you that these guys are operating in Nigeria, and they have registered with banks that don't really require for them to submit their vital information for them to have an account. So this is a scam, guys, and you should not fall for it. It's a new website that was hurriedly put together to scam you of your money. And if you are conversant with the reviews that we have been doing on this channel, this model, put money, earn daily income for XYZ period and total revenue, is the same format that INSME used to scam you. Fire VIP, Huge Evers, even Hive blockchain that collapsed last week. Hive blockchain that collapsed last week. I made a video about it. That collapsed last week. The same format. But what amazes me is why do the same set of people continually scam the same set of people all the time? Okay? The late reggae legend Robert Nesta Marley said, "You can fool some people sometimes, but you can't fool all the people all the time." That is wrong now, because these scammers are fooling you people all the time. All they do is change the name of the website. They come to you with the same format, the same modus operandi, and they scam you. I make all this noise all the time. It's unfortunate majority of you don't listen. If you're looking for a legitimate business that will give you stable income, if you put in the work, look in the description of this video. You people don't like to work. Okay, you're greedy, and majority of you are lazy, and that is the loophole that these scammers see in you. So for as long as you are looking for ROI, dumping money, do nothing, and earn returns, you will continually be victims of Ponzi schemes until the day you decide that, no, let me put in the work so that I can earn something legitimate. You will continually fall for these things. My work is done. Thank you, guys. I'll see you in the next one. It's bye for now.